Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the aftermath of the Google March 2024 update. What websites were affected very badly with this particular update. We will see some of the pointers which I have did in my research, and then we will also discuss about the continuation of the core update as well. So the first thing is in the March 2024 spam update, what are the websites Google has actually targeted and how these penalties was implemented. So first thing, as per my research on various forums and various areas, what I have concluded that the number one thing what Google have impacted is any website which is using AI generated content, and they were creating a huge quantity of content which is not possible in a human level. For example, certain websites which were generating like say around 4 to 5 articles a day or 2 to 3 articles a day, and which is a small blog website, it is not a very big brand name or something. So this website is very badly affected. The second type of website which got affected was those websites which in the past they have normal articles, regular articles, but they have increased their frequency with a huge number of articles. Either it is even I have seen some of the publishers saying that they have not used AI content, but they were actually affected with these updates, and the primary reason for that is the number of articles they were publishing was so high. Because of that, Google has affected certain website, and this I'm telling you from my research and what I have studied from different publishers and what they have been suffered with. Based on that, I'm sharing this data. And the third type of website which also got affected with this update was websites which were doing over optimization. So if you are doing the on page on a regular way, that is fine, but if you are doing over optimizing, you are adding too many keywords into the pages, you are adding too much focus on the keyword content, then you have been affected. If your keyword density is very high, if your keyword frequency is very high, then Google has hit the website. And also, as per the algorithm, Google have also targeted those websites which has minimal content. For example, an article is about some topic, but the article is just very limited article, like 500 words or 600 words, and it's not providing the depth of the content on that particular topic. So that kind of website also Google has affected. So in overall, this effects have happened in two ways. Number one is without any manual penalty, without any manual penalty update, the Google algorithm has automatically removed the websites and automatically hit the website. And another option was Google have exclusively applied a manual penalty, which is one of the backend someone from the backend in Google have identified certain websites and also they have affected. So let's see. Now officially the Google completes the March core spam update, and then core update is going to be continuing. And if you see here, the March update targeting AI content and authority abuse, and also those websites who are using like a parasite SEO and authority abuse, those also got affected. If you now see some of the pointers here, so the Google has completed its spam rollout, and core update incorporating the helpful content evaluation is in progress, so it's not yet completed. And website owners and content creators should wait for the core update to finish before making significant changes in response to the ranking fluctuation. So basically what is recommended here is don't make any big changes. If your website is affected or had any problem, don't make any significant changes. Most probably by this month end or by next month, the core update will also complete. Then you can actually see what has happened to the site, where you have got affected with, and based on that you can make changes as well. So, and if you see here, spam update has completed with the Google in official, their official website also they have completed. The rollout has been completed in 2 weeks of time as well. And impacts on the website, so early data, significant gain and losses. Study by Originality found 100% of the de-indexed websites showed signs of AI generated content. Yes, Google have completely de-indexed the websites of certain AI generated projects as well. And main reference in the manual actions are carried out by Google human reviewers are accompanied by notification in Search Console. Yes, that's already I explained you. And this core update is still in progress. So what I will recommend you, so if you want to avoid this kind of update, so what is the best way to do it is Don't just copy the content from AI and paste it into your website and blog and think that, okay, my work is done. Don't anytime do that. Use AI tools to help you. Use AI tools as a tool to understand and give you a guidance, but don't copy paste the content. All right, so best way to is create continuous articles, create regular articles. At least I will recommend 5 articles a month, minimum 5 articles a month is necessary for your website to show the value for the customer. So create content for the users and regularly update this content as well. If you have old articles which are outdated, which are no need in the today's marketplace, you can delete those articles, or you can redirect them to some latest version of the article. So make sure you remove the old unnecessary content, and if there is some outdated content, update with the latest helpful way. And also, if you're writing new articles, don't just copy paste the articles from AI tools. Use your own research and use certain AI for reference purpose, and use some other sources for reference purpose, and create the article in your own way. That is going to help you to stay your website protected from any of the spam or any of the updates from Google. So these are the basic ideas which you have to consider, and I will make a video very soon about the once the core update will complete, then we'll see what are the overall impact and what are the overall changes has happened with this particular update. And if you have any website which you think is affected, please share the link in the comment section so I can review your website and give you suggestions of how to improve it and what changes you can do to make your website better. And if you're new to our channel, please hit the like button and the subscribe button and stay connected with our channel. Thank you very much.